Let's walk through the step-by-step process to connect Facebook Messenger to ManyChat. First, ensure you have a Facebook business page. In your page settings, make sure Messenger is enabled to allow conversations. Next, sign up for a ManyChat account. You can choose from their free plan or upgrade to a paid plan for more features. Inside ManyChat, click the Connect Facebook button. You'll be prompted to authorize the connection using your Facebook login credentials. You'll need to grant ManyChat the necessary permissions to access your page, including the ability to send and receive messages. Once you've granted the permissions, ManyChat will be successfully connected to your Facebook page, ready for automation. Meta has introduced stricter verification requirements for Messenger bots. These changes, implemented in 2024-2025, aim to prevent spam and ensure user safety by requiring business verification and compliance with Meta's Messenger platform policy. To avoid disruptions in your Messenger bot functionality, you must verify your business and adhere to these policies. Non-compliant bots risk being suspended or banned. The first step is verifying your Facebook page. Access the Page Settings menu to enable Messenger features and complete the business verification process, which typically involves submitting business documents. Once your page is verified, you'll need to obtain page access tokens through Facebook's developer tools. These tokens enable secure API connections between your Facebook page and ManyChat. ManyChat simplifies this process with automated compliance checks in their dashboard. The platform monitors your setup for policy violations and provides alerts to help you maintain compliance and avoid any service disruptions. Once connected, ManyChat enables powerful automation features that transform how businesses handle customer conversations on Messenger. The platform automates responses using keyword detection, allowing instant replies to common customer queries without manual intervention. AI-driven natural language processing allows the chatbot to understand and respond to complex customer messages, making conversations feel more natural and human-like. Pre-built flows handle routine tasks like welcome messages, frequently asked questions, and order confirmations, streamlining customer interactions. The live chat feature allows human agents to seamlessly take over conversations when automated responses aren't sufficient, ensuring personalized customer service. All of this integrates seamlessly with popular CRM tools like Zapier or HubSpot, allowing data to flow between platforms for comprehensive customer management. These features combine to create efficient, scalable customer communication systems that enhance both automation and personalization. ManyChat integrates with generative AI like GPT-4 to create smarter chatbots that can handle complex customer queries more effectively. The integration connects ManyChat's platform with AI models like GPT-4, enabling your Messenger chatbots to understand and respond to nuanced customer questions. This AI integration allows chatbots to manage sophisticated customer inquiries, significantly reducing the need for human agents to intervene in conversations. AI-powered chatbots use decision trees and autoresponders to process user inputs, routing simple queries to automated responses while escalating complex ones to human agents. The AI analyzes customer data to personalize responses, making each interaction feel more tailored and engaging for users. AI can automatically suggest products based on customer preferences and browsing history, improving the shopping experience and increasing sales. Automated quizzes powered by AI can qualify leads by asking relevant questions, separating high-quality prospects from general inquiries. This leads to more qualified prospects reaching your sales team and shorter sales cycles overall, improving efficiency and conversion rates. Adhering to Meta's policies is essential to avoid account bans. This means never sending unsolicited messages and always respecting user privacy by obtaining consent before any promotional communications. Always obtain explicit consent from users before sending promotional messages. Unsolicited communications can lead to bans and damage your reputation. ManyChat provides built-in tools to help you stay compliant with GDPR and other privacy regulations, including automated compliance checks and no-code builders for secure flows. Encryption and security are crucial for protecting user data. ManyChat integrates secure methods like symmetric and asymmetric encryption to ensure all interactions are safe. By following these best practices, you maintain compliance, avoid bans, and build trust with your audience through secure and respectful automation. Experts predict that AI will automate the majority of customer interactions in the coming years. ManyChat is planning to deepen its integration with Meta's ecosystem, potentially including WhatsApp and Instagram DMs. Stay informed about regulatory changes and advancements in AI to optimize your messenger automation strategy. Keep in mind, human oversight remains crucial to combat AI hallucinations.